Welcome back to our channel, dear viewers. In today's video, we are embarking on a journey to Velankanni, a place of immense spiritual significance and natural beauty. From miraculous legends to delightful cuisines, we have got it all covered. So, let's dive right in. Let's talk about where we stayed. We found an amazing and affordable hotel that offers not just comfort but also a fantastic view of the sea. At just 3,000 rupees per day, breakfast included, it was a steal. Our breakfast experience in Velankanni was a culinary delight that awakened our taste buds to a symphony of flavors. We sat down to a sumptuous spread that showcased the diverse and delectable offerings of South Indian cuisine. First on the menu were the soft and fluffy idlis, delicate steamed rice cakes that melted in our mouths. Paired with an array of chutneys, from the fiery red of tomato chutney to the refreshing green of coconut chutney. Next up, the bondas arrived, crispy and golden on the outside, giving way to a burst of savory goodness as we took our first bites. Their warm centers were a delightful contrast to the crispiness, and they disappeared quickly as we savored their deliciousness. A surprise addition to our breakfast was the omelette, made to order with fluffy eggs and a medley of vegetables. This protein-packed treat added a savory touch to the otherwise predominantly vegetarian spread.
This place is nice, big.
Our mornings began with relaxation in the hotel's reception area, catching up on the latest news and planning our day ahead. The hotel is situated near beach, giving a spectacular beach view. Though the day was hot, the breeze from the beach cooled us.
Can I see the beach view from here? No, I can't even open my eyes.
Time for some local shopping. We explored the bustling markets filled with affordable gifts that you can bring back for your loved ones. We picked up a few souvenirs ourselves, and we promise to show you more in our upcoming shopping special. Now, let's lace up our walking shoes as we delve into the spiritual side of Velankanni. With 5 churches within the premises, we prepared for a heartwarming walk amidst the heat. The Shrine of Our Lady of Velankanni, often called the Lords of the East, is one of India's most revered religious sites. It's open from dawn till dusk, welcoming pilgrims from all walks of life. The building is painted in white, except for the roof that is made of red tiles. Place is good and decently maintained. It is good to visit for an evening walk around the place.
ये और एक चर्च लिटिल फ्लावर इधर है, देखो यहाँ देखो लिटिल फ्लावर बच्चा के वास्ते है। लिटिल ये भी चर्च है, बच्चा का है लिटिल फ्लावर।
Want to go there?
We had a small merry-go-round fun on the way to another excitement. At the same time, we were careful not to leave each other's hands as we might slip and hurt ourselves. Ha ha ha. A surprise awaited us, a delightful pets area. In the pets area of Velankanni, we stumbled upon a vibrant menagerie of animals that added a touch of enchantment to our journey. The diversity of creatures was astounding, ranging from the colorful parrots and majestic macaws that filled the air with their cheerful calls, to the serene and graceful pigeons and doves that embodied a sense of tranquility. Amidst this avian symphony, the lovebirds shared their affectionate moments, their vibrant plumage a reflection of the love and connection they symbolize.
Hey, guinea pig! So cute!
Oh, they're so cute. This is also my favorite thing. That's pretty color. I like the one which is just resting on the wall.
Hamster.
He said that's a squirrel.
The hamsters scurried about with their tiny paws, exuding boundless energy and curiosity, while the squirrels displayed their acrobatic prowess as they leaped between branches, their fluffy tails trailing behind like delicate banners of nature's artwork.
Chicken. Is that his uncle sell the chicken here? What?
That was a tour
Oh yeah.
of a bird sanctuary or what?
Yeah. I like. Yeah, me too. I like the hamster. And the fish. I like the fish. I like the fish.
I know you'll like the fish.
And I like the hamster. And the squirrel's name is Naughty.
No, you kept a name as well.
Naughty?
Naughty.
The squirrel's name is Naughty. The squirrel is so naughty.
We stumbled upon a unique vantage point that took our breath away. Standing at this single point of junction, we were treated to an awe-inspiring 360-degree panoramic view of all the churches within the Velankanni premises. The sight was nothing short of breathtaking. Each church seemed to tell a story of devotion and history, their architectural styles ranging from traditional to more intricate designs. As we continued on our way to the park, we carried with us the memory of that panoramic view, a snapshot of the rich tapestry of Velankanni's spiritual journey that we were privileged to witness from a single, remarkable point. Our journey took us to a serene park, where a flock of geese welcomed us. It's moments like these that truly connect us with the world around us. Our time in Velankanni was unforgettable, and there is more to come. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will cover the remaining part of our adventure. That's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed exploring Velankanni with us. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on our upcoming travel escapades. Until next time, keep wandering and keep exploring.